morning all. In Maxbyte Industry X.0 product launch. In this year, we are launching sustainability end-to-end solution as a decarbonization ecosystem. So these are all the four major services that Maxbyte provide for any industry for whole decarbonization solution. So the first stage, we will look at the assessment and roadmap. So in this, our major portfolio will be on the sustainability assessment, where we will go on and take on the SDG goals, and our assessment and roadmap will provide you a complete SDG goal maps, and we will provide you the year-on-year SDG and ESG report to get you an idea and insight how the current scenario in the industry about the sustainability, how your products are sustainably manufacturing, and the future roadmap will provide you the clear ideas to where and how you will reach the net zero goal. So next, the sustainability digital platform. So the platform will capture the data from various utilities and manufacturing process about the emissions. So based on the emissions, our platform with the capability of AI, it will give the insight to the stakeholders to how we can go into the net zero goals. So you can individually set net zero short-term and long-term net zero goals to give the insight to each stakeholder. So the user group in this sustainability platform will be a sustainability team in the manufacturing industry, financial team for a long-term process, and the operations team, so to optimize the process. So the third one will be the energy efficiency and utility efficiency and sustainability. So in this segment, we are providing consultancy for how we can efficiently manage energy and technology solutions like how to integrate solar and grid energy, how to optimize these energies. And if there is some system integration, system optimization, Maxbyte also will help you to get through this. And there will be a renewable power integration. If you already have a renewable energy and there is any roadmap for this, Maxbyte will help you to go through that. So for example, there is a EMS energy storage system application where you will get a power supply for your industry from lot of utilities like solar, grid, and plant load or DG genset. So our device will update you, like integrate all these power sources and will provide you a better energy efficiency. So the final thing will be like carbon offset. So carbon offset, yes, you produce after some time, after reaching our goals, we need to go for a net zero. So there will be some emissions will be there in the manufacturing industry. So those emissions will be negotiated or compensated by purchasing carbon credits. So Maxbyte not only help you to purchase carbon credits, it will also provide you, there is some carbon industry 4.2 acceleration carbon offset programs. There will be two categories in this. There is some nature-based programs and there is some technology-based carbon offset programs. So Maxbyte will help customers to offset their carbons through carbon credits, also with the carbon offset programs. Thank you.